Hello, good evening. Welcome to our channel Yushi Talks. And today we are going to talk about the blood test company Theranos founder Elizabeth Holmes, who takes stand in her criminal trial in surprise move by defense team. We have more details about this. Please continue to watch this video and also subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Elizabeth Holmes removed her mask and with a smile on her face took the stand on Friday to testify in a criminal trial, a sudden and surprising move by the defense team which began its case earlier in the day. Holmes, who faces 11 counts of wire fraud and conspiracy to commit wire fraud for her actions as a founder and CEO of the blood test company Theranos, which she led from 2003 until the company shut down in 2018. She pleaded not guilty. In the first 11 weeks of trial, the prosecution called 29 witnesses, including former lab directors, patients, doctors, business partners, and investors. The government rested its case on Friday morning following the testimony of on Thursday of journalist Roger Parloff, who wrote the 2014 Fortune magazine cover. The CEO is out for blood. Holmes could spend up 2 decades in prison if she is convicted. She is denied any wrongdoing. Defense lawyers hadn't indicated whether Holmes would take the stand, but she was called and confidently walked up shortly after 3 p.m. California time. It's the first time the jurors have seen Holmes in person without a mask. Kevin Downey, one of Holmes' defense attorneys, began the questioning. In one of her statements, Holmes said that between 2009 and 2010, her team made a technological breakthrough. We worked for years with teams of scientists, engineers to miniaturize all the technologies in the laboratory, Holmes said. Downey asked Holmes about her public pronouncements regarding how many tests Theranos could run and whether she was limiting her comments to certain type of test. Holmes said no. Multiple company insiders, including whistleblowers and former lab assistant Erica Cheong, testified that Theranos device could not run more than 12 different tests, which contradicted the company's statements. Holmes had told prospective investors and others that Theranos' proprietary technology could run 1,000 blood tests. Holmes, keeping her eyes mostly focused on her lawyer and not looking at roughly 50 other people in the room, walked through her background at Stanford with her decision to drop out and pursue her startup idea. She said she initially contacted the company Real Time Cures and changed the name to Theranos in 2005. She told jurors that she tried to raise some money, get a lab, and hire scientists. We were prototyping, Holmes said, adding that the early team was trying to build components of the technology. I had the opportunity to hire some of the people I was working for, and with at Stanford. Downey asked Holmes how she financed the early days of the company, and she said that I started talking to my parents, and they let me take the money they saved for me to go to college. Then I went on to borrow money. Over the years, Holmes went on to raise more than 940 million from institutions and wealthy individuals, eventually reaching a valuation of about 9 billion. Holmes' testimony lasted roughly an hour, ending at around 4:10 p.m. when Judge Edward De Villa said that the court would be in recess until Monday. Holmes will likely remain on stand through Tuesday of next week. Her lawyer said they will have the rest of the week off for the Thanksgiving holiday. So that's all we have in today's video. Please continue to watch this space for more informative news. Thanks for watching us. You have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.